Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. As I sit here, I'm so incredibly excited and I'm so grateful for every single one of you, and to have the opportunity to share a pivotal moment in my life that occurred a few years ago today. The life I lead now, one of purpose and great love and joy, wasn't always the life that I had. I have weathered heartbreak, worked in a job that didn't fulfill me, and I've really had serious financial hardship to deal with in my life. Back in 2012, I experienced immense grief when my father and then my sister both died of cancer within 3 months of each other, followed by a heartbreaking betrayal when my then boyfriend confessed to cheating on me for the entire duration of our 5-year relationship, which was on the brim of marriage. And I was just shattered beyond belief. I really was. And having to pick up the pieces, I started peeling back the layers to get a better grip and understanding of who I was, what I really wanted, and how to love myself. And then this led me to become the person that I am today. And the journey was not without trials and tribulations, and of course without the unwavering support and belief of my now husband, who I met back in 2018. I found the courage to believe in myself again and to truly value who I am as a human being. I uncovered my true path and I discovered self-love. Now I'm here to show you that you too can embrace a life that you want to live and to cherish. Today we're diving into a topic that touches the essence of our existence: self-love and valuing ourselves. The truth is that you cannot manifest the life of abundance that you want when you do not love and value yourself on a deep level. And I'm here to tell you that if I can do it, you can do it. In a world where self-worth is often underestimated, it's crucial to recognize and embrace our true values. First, we tackle those limiting beliefs head on. You know, those thoughts that whisper, you're not enough, or you can't do it, or they can have it, but you can't. We identify those thoughts, understand where they came from, and then transform them. We essentially rewrite the code that shapes your reality by identifying and replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. This isn't just tweaking a few surface level habits, it's about fundamental changes. And by replacing those limiting beliefs with empowering ones, we unlock your full potential. And let me tell you, there's no limit to what you can achieve. You are limitless. You are worthy of love, confidence, success, abundance, fulfillment. When you embrace your value, you will see your life transform. Now, let us transition into a sacred journey of self-love through a guided meditation. I invite you to find a comfortable position, perhaps lighting a candle or two if you feel inclined, and allow yourself to settle into this moment as we embark together on a path of inner exploration and healing. This is Jess, and I love you. As you settle into this moment, continue to breathe deeply and evenly, feeling each breath as it enters and leaves your body. With every exhale, imagine releasing any negative thoughts that may cloud your mind, making space for positive energy. Now, visualize a warm, gentle light radiating from your heart center. This light represents love, unconditional and boundless. With each breath, this light grows brighter and warmer, filling your entire being with a deep sense of love and acceptance. As you bask in this glow, begin to repeat the following affirmations to yourself, either silently or out loud. Let these words sink deeply into your consciousness, resonating with your innermost self. I am worthy of love and respect. I accept myself fully and completely. I am enough just as I am. I deserve my abundance. I deserve all good things. Feel these affirmations as truths that build and strengthen your foundation of self-worth. With each affirmation, the light within you glows brighter, illuminating your inherent worthiness. As you continue to affirm your worth, imagine that with each breath you exhale any doubts or fears related to your self-esteem. These may be old beliefs, past criticisms, or self-imposed limitations. See them as grey smoke leaving your body, dissolving into the air and being replaced by clear, vibrant energy. Allow yourself to feel lighter and freer with each breath. Let your whole being be filled with pure love and acceptance. with your sense of self-worth reaffirmed, envisage your life as a fertile field ready to cultivate. Imagine that each seed planted in this field represents a dream, a goal, or a desire you wish to manifest. See yourself tending to this garden with love and care, knowing that each seed has the potential to grow under your attention and intention. Visualize these seeds now sprouting, growing, and flourishing. Each plant represents an aspect of the abundance you are drawing into your life, be it love, health, wealth, or peace. Feel a sense of gratitude for this abundance, knowing that it is a direct reflection of your worth and love for yourself. All this abundance is coming into your life now. And it is done. As this meditation nears its end, bring your focus back to your heart, feeling it full and radiant with gratitude. Thank yourself for taking this time to nurture your self-worth and invite abundance into your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gently bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this feeling of self-worth and abundance with you throughout your day, trusting in the power of your own self-love to create a life of richness and joy. This is Jess, supporting you to manifest your dreams, and I love you.